Hello traders, this is Igor from FX Igor YouTube channel, and today we'll talk about HFM broker, former hot forex broker. And this video is created to show you the basic stuff, how the platform works, the dashboard, what this broker offers, and the most important thing that you will see in this video is how you can win and get in price contest, how you can win a gadget. So wait for that, we'll talk later. Right now, we'll talk about HFM broker. So, like I said, HFM, former hot forex or HF markets, represent a world-renowned CFD broker regulated by high trust FCA, SISC, FCS and the FSA. With more than 2 million accounts, a minimum deposit of $5 and excellent support, HFM offers trading assets such as forex, stocks, commodities, ETFs, etc. Right now on this dashboard, on the left side, you can see options that this forex broker offers. The first thing that I want just to show you is a deposit options. So look this, if you go and press all deposit options, you will see that HFM broker offers really a lot of ways for you to deposit to withdraw money. For example, using PaySpark, EconPay, CardPay Visa, wire transfer. You can use a Neteller, crypto payments, FastaPay, Pay Redeem Card, Skrill, BitPay. So if you think a little bit, you can pay on various ways, and they're very fast when we talk about payments. In my personal opinion, if I want to share my last 10 years experience, for high amounts of money, if you trade using or receive a lot of money, believe or not, even you want to take $10,000 or $50,000 or a lot of money, you can get very easily your money couple days. So it's very fast to withdraw money. Of course, if you have a smaller amount, it's much faster, but if you have a high amounts, they're very fast, and usually the day for payments is the Wednesday. So if you do that, Wednesday is an excellent day for payments, and I use that a lot of years, last 10 years I need to say. So this is the first thing that I just want to tell you. Of course, you have a My Wallet interesting part when you can transfer live accounts, demo accounts, archive accounts, etc. Then the thing that you can do, for example, is that you have various accounts. For right now, we'll see accounts that they offer. You can open live accounts, demo accounts, archive accounts. So it's a wonderful thing for trading and everything. Right now, I archive all my accounts. The next couple months I will not trade because there is a summer period and the market is very low volatility market, and it's not interesting. But in future, just in I think August and September, I will start to trade with new accounts and continue to work with HFM. Then what we need to talk about, you can of course easily open live or demo account, and the types of accounts, the premium, micro and zero spread. So if you want to trade just a little bit with micro lots, you can deposit from $5 to whatever you like. And if you want to use a zero spread account where there are very low tie spreads, if you use some kind of fast trading, short time trading, daily trading, something like that, you can use this zero spread account, and the minimum deposit is $200. Of course, just want to recommend something. If you want to trade, my recommendation is always to have at least $1,000 in your account. And if you trade with micro lots, of course, if you trade with mini lots, you should have a much more, maybe $10,000 and more, because if you're a professional trader, you know one thing, that the risk management is most important thing. And I very often risk less than 1%, not 1%, less than 1% when I trade for some prop trading companies. And when I have, for example, limit that I can have the maximum drawdown 5%, I always try, like I repeat, I always try to trade with 0.5%, 1/4%, and a very small amount of money, because I cannot afford to have a high drawdown. I just give you one example. If you are a very good trader and you trade, for example, 1% risk per trade, there is a high probability, very high probability, that you will have a 15% drawdown in one moment during the year. So even if you're a very good trader, it's a normal thing to have a high drawdown. So if you trade with 2%, that'd be very risky. If you lose 20% of your account in some moment, you need 25% of account to be break even next time, and with that kind of math you cannot succeed. So about volume conditions, you can see that Bitcoin, it's a 7 lots per account. For example, you have of course a little bit higher commissions if you trade with cryptos, and if you trade some trading products that a little bit high volatile commodities is such a thing. But like I said, for major forex pairs, for major stocks, etc., commissions are low, and it's affordable for traders. Again, about platform, they offer MT4, MetaTrader 4, and you can use on terminal, multi-terminal, you can web terminal, you can use an iPhone, you can use for Android, iPad, or Rapid Trader, Fix API. So you have a really good solutions here. Of course, if you use MT5, you can use it on Android, iPhone Trader, iPad Trader, so you can easily download and use. It's a free to try, so there's no problem here. About bonus calculator, of course, this broker offers very high bonus. You can receive 100%. Of course, if you're outside of European Union, if you live in European Union, you cannot use that kind of bonus because regulations. And on the other side, if you live in the United States of America, you know that you cannot use the CFD brokers from the Europe American market. They want that you use US brokers, so this is the simple thing. The next thing you can use, if you need a free virtual private server, you can get for low prices here. And for live traders, you can get free virtual private server if you're a live trader and you have a decent amount of investment money here. So I tried when I had a lot of money here for trading. I used a free virtual private server. Right now I have my own, because for my business and everything, I use several virtual private servers for testing systems and everything. And I'm different story, but for you, if you like to use it, it's a very good thing. You can use 24 hours per day, and the good thing is you can test your systems. You can put some expert advisor to test whole night, whole day, to test everything, and it's a wonderful thing. The next thing that I want to share with you is SMS service that Hot Forex Broker offers. You can get Autochartist. You can receive that on your mobile phone, or very easily you can connect to receive on your email. Autochartist is a platform where you can receive signals based on the patterns. So they have rectangle patterns, triangle patterns. There are a lot of patterns that they use, and they have some several years database, and they create a high probability setups. But what I want to tell you is always to watch a little bit risk-reward ratio. Very often they have a high probability, but on the other side, your stop loss and your target is not 1-to-1, and you need to think about that. So my advice is to try this service and to use only that signals that have a probability in their system more than 75%. So this is my advice, and they're very good. They're high probability trades if you use systems that are swing trades and long-term trades, because at this short time you cannot catch very easily. But it's my opinion, and I don't want to impact on you. It's your decision. The excellent thing that HFM broker offers is a premium trader tools. So you have a lot of tools that you can use. And right now I don't have money here because I withdraw all my money, and so I cannot show you. But there is excellent things for tracking, excellent thing for some little bit plugins that you can get for MetaTrader, etc. So there is a PDF. You can see a lot of Excel models here, etc. You should try, read more about that, and see if you want to use that, because if you have a high deposit amount in your account, you can use that for free. And next thing that if you want to use, it's artificial interest sentiment and volatility analysis. You can use that for free, and you of course need to have right now balance above $100 to use that. And there is a more declaration and more description here what you get. It's a wonderful solution. You will got a real-time volatility analysis, big data, advanced market insights, etc., etc. Everything of this, it's something that you can get from Trading Central, and I used that before. It's a good thing, but I have my personal so proprietary softwares that we use in my company and our sentiments. So everybody should choose what they like and prefer. You can try this and see. I don't want to give my opinion on this, because you should try and you should see what suits you. So let me talk more about things that you can get at HFM brokers. Of course, you have a lot of calculators for pivot point calculator, target calculator, risk percentage, pip value calculator, etc., etc. You have a special section here. You just press use this tool, and you will get some calculator that you can put all your inputs and get results that you want. And you have a trading calculators. It's the same thing. So this is the thing that they need to correct, because they have a double link for this. Trading products. So HF brokers use forex, as you know. They have very tight spreads for major currency pairs. They have less than 2 pips and around 1 pip. For zero spread accounts, it's almost nothing, but you need to pay commission, as you know. You have metals that you can trade, of course. This is the typical spreads that you need to pay for this. You can check and compare with other brokers. Then they offers energies like a US Brent oil and crude oil for oil lovers. And they have indices. For indices, they have major indices in Europe and US and Japan. And they have shares. They increase the number of shares every single day. Right now, you can see that they have all majors, Dow and S&P 500 stocks. Right now, there is 54 stocks that you can trade. And of course, commodities, bonds, stocks. And I just want to show you they have ETFs. This is the very good. They have a good ETFs. So we're still in stocks. Sorry, we need just a time to ETFs. Yes, they have a lot of ETFs. They have ETFs for airspace defense, basic materials, currency, consumer staples. So they have a very good amount of ETFs. A lot of CFD brokers do not ETFs like HFM brokers. So if you like this, if you want, for example, you think that IT market and or IT companies will have a bullish trend in the next couple of weeks, you just trade ITF or technology companies ITF. Or you can for example, you think that inflation is huge and there is a increase in price of food, you can for example trade food ITFs, etc., etc. So this is the very good for traders that like this. And of course they have various promotions, and right now we'll talk about these promotions. So I said in the beginning of this video, and right now I just want to tell you here, there is special competitions that you can win a gadget here. Below this video you have a link. Just go to that link, press, and you will see everything. Right now I just show you how that you can get HFM gadget giveaway. So there is a lot of gadgets here, from GoPro Hero, iPhone 13, PlayStation 5, Amazon Fire, etc, etc. And the good thing is you can get this gadget if you like HFM company on Facebook and Instagram. So you do not need to do some crazy hard stuff. You can get a free gadget giveaway if you win in contest, where you just need to like on Facebook or Instagram this broker. And on the end, I just wanted to tell you there is excellent tutorials and video tutorials and courses on HFM, so you can visit and watch a lot of videos around everything related to forex and stocks market and technical analysis. And one great thing that I want to recommend you is live webinars. So a lot of people like to watch every single day. You have some kind of a webinar about price action trading, scalping, chef trend cycle, difference between price action, mean reversion, how to use MACD, how to use Fibonacci theory, etc, etc. A lot of excellent webinars. So you can register, don't need to deposit. You can use this platform just for this, for webinars, and connect with these people. So my recommendation, if you don't want to trade, register here. You can find a lot of great things. You can join to various competitions. You can try demo account. You can read about a lot of webinars, read a lot of valuable ebooks, videos, and various lessons. And this is the great thing and my top recommended broker that you know. If you want to read more, you can visit below this. There is a link about review, about whole text review about this broker, and you can read everything below this video here. So this is all. I wish you great day, and bye bye.